award-winning actress.
Bruce Paltrow is probably best known in Gwyneth circles for directing Duets, which starred his daughter, but he's also the producer of a show called St. Elsewhere. And Blythe Danner, she's a very prolific actress, so there's really no surprise that Gwyneth Paltrow ended up in show business.
She evolved in a very wealthy community, most of her parents' relatives being renowned figures in the entertainment industry.
From the very beginning, Gwyneth has been surrounded by show business elite, and she also had access to some of the finest schools, both in New York and Los Angeles, where she was born.
Japan was her first opportunity to appear in front of a worldwide audience, but she was only cast for a brief appearance in the role of young Wendy. Her big break would still have to wait for a few years. In the following years, she transitioned from child actress to a more mature and character-driven actress, and she quickly had the opportunity to prove she was not only a product of nepotism, with more serious roles that caught the professionals' attention. She played alongside legendary actor James Caan in Flesh and Bone in 1993. But it was in 1995 that she appeared in a movie that stunned an entire generation, David Fincher's Seven. She was a supporting actress alongside Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman, and for many reasons, this role was the start of her worldwide fame. Not only was the movie an international success,